Hey, what's up, guys? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. My friends, once again, I'm talking about the Stellar XLM cryptocurrencies. That what's going on in the Stellar XLM? A lot of people ask me questions about XLM. That is XLM give us profit in the future or loss in the future? So, finally, friends, we are going to predict the XLM. Keep watching this video complete for more and better understanding. And also make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. Now it is time to Stellar XLM. Especially this time I'm talking about after 20 July. After 20 July, the price of the XLM start explosion and still the XLM is in the explosion mode. I really appreciate Stellar XLM now in the current situation, my friends. And you know what? Other side, if we talk about the price changes over in the Stellar XLM, so positive 5.38%. 5.38% the price of the XLM is increasing. And you know what, other side, if we look the previous period, you can see 2017, 18, 19 July. On this day the price of XLM is gradually falling down, but in the latest situation the XLM price is about to start explosion, my friends. So that's why I'm really appreciate XLM for investment. It now it's time to invest in XLM because now it is time they or start explosion, they start jumping. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and remember, never sell XLM on this time. If you want to sell, so sell on 29 July. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe channel for more news and updates.